Welcome back everyone, my name is Abdullah Gori from Alfa Technology, and in this video we'll talk about how we can get input from user. So in previous videos we have learned about variables and data types, and we are storing the values in our program itself. But in this video we'll talk about how we can get the input from user at runtime. So without any further delay, let's start our video. So first of all, we need to create a variable. So let me declare a int variable int x, and we don't need to initialize with any number. So to store any number in x, we have to say cin. It is a keyword, and then we type exception operation, and then we'll say x. It means store the value, whatever the value user type, store this in x variable. And we also can print this value. So we can say you entered, and then we can say x. Okay, and let me build and run this program. It says that enter any number, so we'll say 13, enter. It says you entered 13, and it is a best practice to show the user that what's going on in your program. So we'll say cout, and we can say here enter any number. Okay, and then we'll store the number in x. So let me build and run this program. There we go. It says enter any number. We enter 58 and hit enter. You enter 58. So we can do the same things with float variables. So let me declare a float variable in float y, and then we'll say enter any float number, and we'll store it in y, and we'll say you enter y. Let me build and run this program. So it says that enter any float number. We'll enter 13.85 and hit enter. It says you enter 13.85. And we can also get the input from user in string variables. Let's say string name, and we'll say enter. We'll say enter your name, and store the name in the name variable itself, and we'll say your name is, and here we'll type name, because whatever user entered it will show to it. So let me build it on this program, and it says enter your name. I'll say Abdullah, and it says your name is Abdullah. So that's all from this video. That's how you can get the input from user. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video.